All right, what's up, y'all? It's your boy P Frank. We back with another review. Today I'm in the South, the deepest part of the South. Check it out, I'm just playing. We in Suffolk, Virginia, 757. Feel like I'm back home. Had to escape Philly for a minute, and figured I'd do some reviews while I'm down here. So I pulled up to a place called the Skrimp Shack. You gotta say it like that, Skrimp Shack. And they had a soft shell fried crab sandwich on their menu. It's my first soft shell fried crab ever. This is what the sandwich looking like. Looking pretty good. It's been a funnel cake stuff everywhere. Sorry, Mom, you can talk. Let's see what this joint look like without the bun on it and the tomato. Not gonna lie, I kind of like a spider. I don't really like that, but hopefully the taste is good. Got tomato, lettuce on it, and I'm gonna taste it regular first, but then I'm gonna put some condiments on it. Skrimp Shack, y'all. This joint is bust down. I'm so good. I was afraid to eat it. You can let them know how soft the shell was. But it's like eating a regular sandwich. What the inside of it look like. But it's delicious. I'm not gonna lie. Mm. Mm -mm -mm. Mm. So the breading is real flavorful. Crab itself tastes fresh. It took like 20 minutes for them to make it, so I would imagine it was pretty fresh at least. Sandwich is hot. I think I got nothing bad to say about this sandwich. Let me put some I'll take any hot sauce packets out. Thank you. So yeah, I got my sister, mom, what else? Sister, mom. My sister, mom in the car with me. She being corny. She ain't gonna be on the video. And when my dad called me right now. I'm gonna put some lemon, some hot sauce on this joint, see if it make it any better or any worse. I'm struggling to open these packets on the videos. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You. And you got Texas Pete in a clear package. I've never seen this before in my life. I didn't put that much on it. But I like hot sauce. It's cool. This is a whole leg right here. Still got the shell in there. Mm. Maybe that soft shell crab? Mm-mm-mm. Hot sauce definitely turning up another notch. All right, one more bite. And then I'll give y'all the rating. That was the best bite yet. Mm. I'm definitely gonna come back to Skrimp Shack, try some more stuff out. But can't say that the sandwich is a 9.5 out of 10. I don't know how they could have made it better, but it's delicious. So we on Main Street in Suffolk, and I'm gonna put the address down below. Come try out the Skrimp Shack. It's a black-owned franchise. I'm not too sure who actually owns this specific location, but support. Um, oh yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe below. Let me know if you've been here before. Anybody else from the 7-5? Let me know any places y'all want me to try out for y'all, or places I should try. Peace and love, y'all. I'm about to finish the rest of the show.